In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet account and get started with the platform. The process is simple, and by the end, you'll be ready to explore the main tools Smartsheet offers for organizing work, tracking projects, and building collaborative workflows. To begin, go to the official Smartsheet website in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Start Free Trial or Sign Up. This is usually placed in a prominent area, so it's easy to find. Click that button to begin the account creation process. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you use an email you can access, since Smartsheet may send you a confirmation message before your account is fully activated. Enter your email carefully to avoid typos, because even a small mistake could delay the setup process. After that, continue to create your account. Depending on what appears on your screen, this may include setting up your login details and confirming a few basic account preferences. Just follow the prompts on the page and complete the required fields. Keep your information accurate and easy for you to remember, so signing in later is quick and hassle-free. In some cases, Smartsheet will ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your inbox and look for the verification email from Smartsheet. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well. Once you find the message, click the verification link to confirm your account. After verification is complete, return to Smartsheet if needed and sign in. Once you're inside your account, take some time to explore the platform. You can look through sheets for organizing information in a spreadsheet-style format, templates that help you get started faster, dashboards for visual summaries, reports for pulling together data, and automations that can save time by handling repetitive actions. Exploring these areas early on is a great way to understand what Smartsheet can do and which tools fit your workflow best. If you're brand new to the platform, don't rush. Click around, open a few templates, and get familiar with the layout. That hands-on exploration will make the system much easier to use later. Finally, remember that you only need to upgrade if you decide you want continued access to paid features. Starting with the free trial or sign-up option is a good way to learn the platform first and see whether it meets your needs. And that's it. You now know how to create a Smartsheet account and start exploring its core features.